Hello, my name is Paula Vera Gomez,
We are students of the Manuela University of Advanced English.
and this video is Spain Curious Pass of the City Contextually the them seen in the class.
In this video, we are going to talk about the place that can be visited in Bogota and the typical food. What do you think if we start talking about some places like Monserrate, Guadalupe, among others, that I will be naming and the ajiaco, which is the typical dish.
Oh yes, I highly recommend Monserrate. It is one of the hills.
It is true. This hill is more visited than that of Guadalupe. They are close.
You also know that I would recommend go to the Calera BM point.
Oh, yes. One of the typical foods in that place is panela guava, white almohana, and cheese.
One of the places that are recommended to go is to the Quevedo Hit. It is a very colonial place.
One of the places that are recommended to go is to the Quevedo, yet it is a very colonial place.
If it is through Bogota, has a larger, more place and museum to visit.
Yes, Bogota is bigger than Barranquilla.
Bogota is also the most popular city in Colombia.
Yes, and what about the most typical dish here in Bogota, which is ajiaco?
It is true, it is one of the most typical dishes of their coming without rigid I would not be good.
Do you want to know how to prepare the typical dish?
Yes, of course, I will like to know the whole recipe.
Enough good add the water, the chicken and half of the guascas. Let it cook for approximately 14 minutes. When the chicken is cooked, take it out of the pot. Then in the some water in which you cook it, the chicken you should add the 2 cans of potatoes, the onion and the garlic. Let it cook for approximately 2 hours so that the potato dissolves completely.
I remember the recipe my grandmother used to make this dish.
Finally, add the chicken cooked in small pieces, the corn cubes, the chicken broth, the green peas and salt to taste. Carefully mix all the ingredients and let them cook.
Finally, add the chicken cut in small pieces, the both the chicken board, the green peas and salt to taste. Careful mix all the ingredients and let them cook.
What better way than to talk about this beautiful city that we live in, the food, the place, and the surroundings of Bogota, topics that we wanted to make know and that are of interest.
Yes, it is a very beautiful city with my plan to make there the difference this that offers us many place and is a topic that can serve many people to go out for weekend with the whole family and enjoy.
Goodbye, nice talking to you.
Goodbye for next time we will talk.